Quick tip, you never want to use Clorox wipes on these mirror frames. It'll actually damage them. Didn't realize it and actually touched both of them, and now I got to figure out some kind of solution to reglaze or repair it or make it look even, but it takes the finish right off. Just a quick tip, don't use Clorox wipes on these types of mirror frames. Now I'm just going to try to even this out, just instead of having the chip looking there. Crazy mirror frames. That was with water. I was trying to get these spots off. I'm using nothing but water. And it's taking the glazing right off. This is bad news. I'm just going to try to kind of make it look even. I know I can't really improve it, but just kind of blend it in a little somehow. It's horrible. It actually looks worse in person than it does on the film. I don't have a solution for this yet. I've got this epoxy. It's a Breakthrough is the product. And I've got the trim color I've been using for the brown. What happens, unfortunately, is this mirror frames take bleach stains. So it kind of sucks. But trying this epoxy and see how this works out. So I can mimic kind of the brush lines to get rid of that. And probably nothing's going to hold up perfect, but this will at least make it reasonable. I'll probably take it off of the inner edge if possible. A few little places where it's just minimal. This seems to be working. This will make it even. I think that'll work. Get the idea? I think it'll work though. Alright. I just kind of use my finger to spread in the rest. I need to make it look even. I think it'll work. And it's an epoxy, so it's much stronger there. Blend the rest of that. Drying in nicely. Looks like we've got our solution.